We both know what will happen. Think, imagine. You will go after her, burning, blazing with desire, like a jackal, like a forest fire. Oh, the chase, the adventure, oh, the conquering hero. Oh, good for you. Look what you can do. You can astonish a girl with a daddy complex. Well done, you. And now you have her, and it is wonderful, delicious, luscious, uncomplicated for hours and hours and hours, maybe even days, and then what? Play it out to the end, my love. Oh, it's a dead end. Unreal. Empty. Let ordinary men be run by their fears and their pricks and their desperate attempts to stave off mortality, but not a great artist like you, no. Not an actual man. I know you. I see you. All of you. Look at me. I am here